Threading in while true loop. First of all, I've only started working with Python a month ago, so I don't have deep knowledge about anything. In a project, I'm trying to collect the results of multiple, simultaneous functions in a database infinitely until I tell it to stop. In an earlier attempt, I successfully used multiprocessing to do what I need, but since I now need to collect all the results of those functions for a database within the main, I switched to threading instead. Basically, what I'm trying to do is now, obviously I can't just restart the threads, nor explicitly kill them. The functions within the threads can theoretically be stopped at any point, so terminate if from multiprocessing was fine. I was thinking whether something like the following could work, at least PyCharm is fine with it, so it seems to work, or if it creates a memory leak, which I assume, because the threads are never properly closed or deleted, at least as far as I can tell from researching. Again, I am new to Python, so I don't know anything about this aspect. Code. I feel like this approach seems too good to be true, especially since I've never came across a similar solution during my research. Anyways, any input is appreciated. Have a good day.
You explicitly await the thread's termination in loops containing thread.join, so no memory leak takes place, and your code is fine. If you're worried that you don't dispose of the thread objects in any way after they terminate, it will be done automatically as soon as they aren't used anymore, so this shouldn't be a concern neither.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.